Hello again. We are near the end of our unit on newspaper. I'm going to talk about national trip. Yesterday, some of you might recognize it as a topic. So this week, reading assessment as a gospel start. Yesterday is still more than 25 years old. When it began, few strategic look like in well, not only has it lasted, it has thrived. USA Today is the longest-selling daily newspaper in America. It also distributed in many countries around the world, but that's only part of the story. The real success of USA Today is the way it changed the newspaper countries around the world, but that's only part of the story. The real success of USA Today is the way it changed the newspaper industry. USA Today changed the way people look, they changed the way people write, and it's changed the way papers gather and deliver news. USA Today set out to be the different newspaper at the time where I'm in trouble, fewer people were reading them. The papers were full of bad news about crime and killing. They had all stories. They didn't have color, photos, and graphic, and money could not include the last part scores. USA Today changed all this. It had short story, the most of which didn't not jump or continue from one page to other. It is a color photos and color pictures and graphic. It does not have much international news, but it did have lots of sport, entertainment, and human interest stories. It was trying to evolve younger readers. The series has been raised to watching television, so they had trouble paying attention to longer stories. They wanted them to be entertainers, not not informant. At the first, many people laughed at this today. Other newspaper called other newspaper called it make paper. They were comparing it to McDonald's fast food, which isn't very healthy. It fills you up, but it doesn't have much nutrition. They said make paper was the some way. It looked good, but it has it had wasn't very important. The passengers today dumbed it down. The news does anyone know that dumb does mean? Yeah, I think it's meant to make things too simple. Like you want to make it easy to understand, but you make it too easy. So it's a lean writing for the little child. That's exactly right. If you make something simple, people get mad. They think that the things they are stupid, but a funny thing happened. More and more people started reading USA Today about a year after it started. It had calculation were more than 1 million. Today its calculation is past 2 million question. What does calculation mean? Calculation is the number of papers that are read each day. It means faster. It means that the essay today is printed more than 2 million copies of each issue. When other papers show this calculation grow, they become worried. So they started to copy today's style. The stories got shorter and they started using lots of color photos and charts. The replace quote unquote service news with the better stories soon. It became normal for newspaper to look like USA Today, but it wasn't only a brilliance that made USA Today so popular. One very big reason for its success was timeliness. Timeliness is an ability to report the latest news daily newspaper have at that time, which is the time. Time they have to stop writing and start printing the paper. The deadline often caused paper to let out. This was especially true of East Coast paper and West Coast sports soccer, basketball, football, and baseball games would end on the West Coast at 11 p.m. but this 2 a.m. Eastern time. This was This was too late to put the scores of the game in the next day's paper. Yesterday, however, used the satellite to transmit news. There could set letter deadlines so it could include the West Coast scores. This allows many people to buy the paper, yes, but today most paper is satellite. So why has the satellite-based calculation keep growing? Excellent question. Actually, USA Today has changed. It still looks colorful, but it started to become more like traditional papers. The stories are getting longer and it has more international news. It's changed because people are changing. The people need to apply to more educated traders because they are the ones with money. Also, it needed to sell more papers overseas. International readers don't want to double down news. Today we are going to begin with a short question. No, you don't need pencil and paper. Just listen. It's only one question. Didi, what do blocks, Pokemon, tattoos, Captain Patch Kids, Cat Rocks, and hula hoops have in common? Anybody? They are all stupid. I know. Question Morgan, they are facts. Correct me now. Here another question. How did you know that? In other words, what are the characteristics of a pot and what's the difference between a pot and a trend? These are the test question we're going to consider together this afternoon. Where the main difference I think between a pot and a trend concerns time. A pot is something that seems to appear suddenly. It quickly becomes enormously popular and then disappears just as suddenly as it can. A trend also applies around suddenly and it's also because very popular, but it doesn't disappear. A trend can have a long-term influence. It is into particular market. Pots and trend often assemble each other to first glance, but a pot usually has a definite beginning and end. A Pokemon might be a fact, but the idea of fantasy playing cards for the children might be a trend. For example, another difference that facts usually same within the one industry. Trend can cross over into many industries. The hula hoop, for instance, has been called the place spot all the time. 25 million fast start in the late 90s and 50s. 25 million hula, 25 million hula hoops were sold in this format. But a year later, sales started to stop. The hula hoop was a toy. It was fun to play with, but that's about all. Now consider cell phones. They were designed to be portable telephones, but they crossed over into the world of fashion wireless communication, and now even photography. People buy cell phones that match the last clothes fashion. They use cell phone of wireless internet access that take photos with them, and cell phone have become a trend. Characters are called first, and the third difference between facts and trend. How was industry accepting facts are often promoted by smaller companies. They need the quick money that fast profit. Large companies that accept facts right away. They can afford to be wrong if someone fast start. Is a company is known as a trendsetter, and it promotes a fact its reputation will be damaged. Raw companies buy product in the high numbers. They don't want to answer product sitting on the shelf, so they wait to see if offer becomes a trend. Then they will accept it and their stores now yes. How long does a path have to last before it becomes a trend? I mean there are these energy drinks now. There's used to be only a couple, but now there's like 100 days still of path exercise is a trend. So what energy drinks to be part of the exercise trend? Based on excellent question, Linda. Exactly. Thus, but become a trend. There are people who have paid a lot of money to ask for the question. If they get it right, companies become rich and famous. If they get it wrong, companies go bankrupt and cars get fined. The short answer is nobody knows. Disguising between facts and a trend is an art, not a science. If it were easy, there would be a lot more rich people in the world. Yes, in the back year, can people get rich from facts too? They said they saw 25 million hula hoops in per month. Someone must have made big money of them. Yes, they did. Toy companies made the 4,500 million of hula hoops by the time the felt and maybe some of you have heard of Fed rocks in the 90s and 70s. Years ago, a man bought a dog for a penny, put in a gift box, and marketed it as pet. He became an instant millionaire, but the trouble with fact is no one can predict them. This man had no idea, so that many people would buy rocks as a pet. He started as kind of a joke. The Pokemon cards has not killed their cause would become instantly popular over the world. That's the thing. Spots are mysterious to boss their creators to the public. The legend of the famous King Arthur, the Latin Cornwall Limited, was a boy of a good temper and so delight in having reading of conjurers, giants, and pirates, and used to listen eagerly to the text of the connect of the King Arthur's round table. It was the tale. At Thursdays, there late on Santos Michael Moss of Colbert, a half giant, 10 feet high and 9 feet long, his first and savage look were the terror of who had behind him. He lived in gloomy cavern on the top of the mountain and used to wade over to the mainland in search of prey. When he would throw half a dozen eggs upon his back and tied 3 times as many ships and huts round his waist and marched back to his own abode. He giant had done this for many years when Jack suffered destroyed him. Jack took a horse, suffered a pickaxe, his armor, and dropped later and one winter's evening he went to the moon. There's a half 22 feet deep and 20 broad. He covered the top over so as to make it look like solid ground. He then blew his horn and so loudly that the giant awake and come out and of his and then crying out, "You such a lion! You shall pay for this year. I will bribe you for my breakfast." He had just finished it when attacking one step to hit tumbled headlong into the pit and Jack struck him a blow into the head with a pizza which killed him. Jack then returned home to cheer his friend with the news. Another giant scholar blew the boar over to the weapon and Jack is after he so have him in his power. This giant kept a giant castle in the mindset of the lonely woods. Sometime after the dead command, Jack was passing through a wood and being very sat down and went to sleep. The giant passing by the side and carried him to his castle where he locked him into a room. The floor of the which was covered with the bodies, skulls, and bones of men and women. Soon after the giant went the British brother, who was like as a giant, to take a meal of his flesh, and Jack showed with terror took the first of his prison, the 2 giants approaching. Jack perceived in the corner of the room a strong or 2 cords and making a slip knot at each end, he threw them over their heads and tied it to the window, harsh, then pulled till the had cooked them. When they were black in the face, he sat down to be rope and stuffed them to the heart. Jack took the cook suitcase out the pocket of the door and went into the castle again. He made switch through the room, and each one of them from the three ladies tied up by the hair of their heads and almost starved to death. They told him that their husband had been killed by the giant who had then condemned the staff for the death because they would not eat the flesh of their own dead husband. Lady said, "Jack, I have put on the end of the monster and his wicked brother, and I give you this castle and all the rich its contents to make someone a man for the devil pants you have built." He then very politely gave them the keys of the castle, and were further on his journey towards us. Jacob, but little money, he went as fast as possible, but let have become to handsome house. Jack knocked at the door when this compound was the giant. Jack said, he was a traveler who had lost his way, on which the giant mother him welcome and led him into a room, where there was a good bed in the sleep. Jack took the Scots quickly, but though he was weary, he could not go to sleep. Soon after this, he heard the giant walking backward and forward in the next room and saying to himself, "I thought here you lodge with me this night. You shall not see the morning light. My cup shall thus you bring out quite. Say you soon, thought the chicken, as the pick up on the trappers, but I hope a cunning as you are, they getting up bed. He grabbed about the room and as upon the rags, take a pellet of the wood. He lighted in his own face and in the bed, and then himself in a dark corner of the room. The giant about midnight entered the apartment and with his blood struck many blows. And on the bed, Jane was very pleasant. The giant had laid long, and then he went back to his own room, thinking he had broke Jake's bones. Early in the morning, Jake put a bold face upon the matter. He walked up into the giant's room to thank him for his lodging. The giant started when he saw him and began to stammer, "Oh, Danny, is you? Pray, how did you sleep last night? Did you hear or see anything in the dead of the night? To speak of, there's nothing to speak of," said Jake. Causelessly, alright, I believe that me three of us slept with its style and disturbed me a little, but I soon went to sleep again. His jail wondered more and more at this, yet he didn't as well worried, but went to bring the vegetables, asking Patty for the breakfast. Jake wanted to make Giant believe that he could eat as much as himself, so he continued to button a letter back inside his couch and slip the husky pudding into his bed, rather seeming to put it, while he seemed to put it into his mouth. When breakfast was over, he said to the giant, now I will show you a fine trick. I can cross our walls with a torch. I couldn't cut off my head in 1 minute, and the nurse put it to sound again. My shoulder, you shall see an example. He then took take a knife, he cut off the letter plate, and all the husky pudding tumbled out upon the floor. As the smile quiet of the West Giant, who was agony to be such as little from a chick. How can do that herself? So he snatched up the leg near perch and stomach and his mama dropped it down. Drop it down. Did Jack helping? He had been successful while he's under taking the serpent to be reader, he therefore the fortunate himself with a horse, a cup knowledge and a sword, purposes, a swiftness and invisible cord and the better to perform the wonderful interrupts that lie before him. He traveled up high hills and on the desert daily become a rough and spacious forest water, which is ready lies carelessly and hardly entered the forest when he beheld a monster giant dragging along by the high of their heads a handsome neck and his lady. Jacob was tying him and he puts on his invisible coat under which a careless sword surface. When he came out to the giant, Mother Sapphira about him, but could not reach his body, but wanted to sting in the sacred place, and like a putting words and his water enemy with arrows smartly he cut off both his legs. Then Jack set in his foot upon his night cover and sword into a giant's body when the master gave ground and dragon. The connect and sliding tanks check for their deliverance and invited him to their house. The receipt of proper reward for his service. No subject. I cannot be easy till I point out this master's habitation. So taking the correct direction, he mounted his horse and soon after come a second. Another giant who was sitting on a block of the timber waiting for his brother is return. Jake lightened from his horse and put him on the invisible coach. A person and made the whole giant head, but missing his eye and he only cut off his nose. On this a giant set his back and laid about him most unmercifully nice said Jack, if this be case indicated the statue, so jumping upon the block, he stabbed at him the back when he dropped down dead, Jake and the cursed on his journey and traveled over hills and valleys still arriving at the foot of high mountain, he knocked at the door of a lonely house. When an old man let him in, when an old man let him in, when Jack was seated the hermitage under him, my son on the top of this mountain is an excited castle, kept by the giant Pulagantus and a Philomygesian. I lamented the fate of a tax doctor one day said as she was walking in her father's garden and broke a super transformer into a deer. They promised that in the morning, at the risk of his life, he would break excitement, and after a sound sleep, he rose early, put on his impossible coat, and got ready for the anthem. When he had climbed to the top of the mountain, he shouted to very clean, but he passed between them without the last river a chamber, for they could not see him because his visible coach. On the castle gate he found a golden trumpet under which were written the liners. Whoever can this trumpet blow shall cause the giant of a throw. As soon as they read this say with the trumpet and blow should blast, which made the post fly open and the fairy castle itself tremble. The giant and the conjurer now that the witchcraft course was at the end, and they stopped beating the drums and shockingly fell. Jack with his sword sharpened and killed the giant, and the magician was carried away were wearing, and very nice and beautiful lady who had been changed into birds and visited the proper shapes. The castle vanished away like smoke, and the head of the giant Galigantus went the same looking after the neck of the ladies rested the night beyond Oakland Hermitage, and next day they set out for the court. Jack then went up to the king and gave his majesty an account of his past battles. Jack, Jack's band had no spread of the whole country, and at the king's desire, the duke gave him his daughter in marriage to the joy of all his kingdom. After this king gave him a large estate on which he and his lady lived the rest of the days in a joy and contentment. Thank you so much.